Man, I feel like these packages just keep getting bigger and bigger. This is definitely by far the biggest package I've ever opened on my channel. Yo, what is up, guys? Back with another video. And in today's video, I gotta hold up. I got a big package here. Hold up. I got a brand new monitor. It is the LG Ultragear monitor. I picked this thing up from eBay. It's a very, very good monitor, guys. Well, I don't know if it's a good monitor, but I bought it because it was 1 millisecond response time and 144 hertz, which is the refresh rate. And I thought that was pretty good, and it was meant for gaming. As you saw in my my capture card video, that I'm gonna start like playing games and stuff, but I don't know what's gonna be yet. But that's why I got this monitor, so I can get the best gaming experience I can possibly get. Yeah, guys, so this is the new monitor. This is the monitor, so let's just get right into unboxing this thing. Alright, guys, we're in the unboxing phase now. Man, I feel like these packages just keep getting bigger and bigger. This is definitely by far the biggest package I've ever opened on my channel. This thing is freaking massive, dude. Oh my. Okay, we got some foam. This is supposed to be brand new, guys. So, oh, here, I think this is the monitor right here. Darn, it looks actually really big. Compared to mine, it looks really big. Put that to the side, and I'll show you that in a minute. Let's see what else you got in here. Alright, and we got the stand here. This is what the stand looks like. It's red and black. Some people don't like the red and black, that's why they put red and black. But I'm not going to be using the stand, so because I have, of course, the arm that I reviewed on my channel, so keep that somewhere. What else we got here? This looks like this stand that goes onto the mount. Okay, and won't be using that though. And this, I'm not too sure what it is. Got screws. I think that's for to mount it, I believe. Maybe, or maybe it's for the stand. We got a power plug. We're definitely gonna need this. So yep, gotta use that for sure. See, hopefully it comes with we got a disc. I think that might be set it up maybe. And is this DVI cable? No, it's an HDMI. Darn. I was hoping it came with a DVI cable. I'm gonna have to buy that separately. Well, this came with an HDMI, but I was hoping for DVI. But yeah, that's that box. And now let's show the actual monitor. Here's the monitor itself. So let's see what it looks like here. It actually looks really big. I thought it was a lot smaller. Looks a lot bigger than my monitor. And here it is, guys. There is the monitor. Holding it, this looks so much bigger than mine. Looks like a lot bigger than mine. Has some foam here. Take this off. There we go. Yeah, guys, this monitor looks ginormous to me. I don't know why. I mean, it's only 24 inches, but it looks really, really big. Hopefully, like, it works, and hopefully I don't get any pixel problems when this thing shipped. But I think it should be fine. Here's the back. Yep, looks like the reason why I got these monitors, guys, these have HDMI and it has a DVI port as well, which is good. But the reason why I got this because it has HDMI and my monitors don't have HDMI, and that's really annoying. So that's why I got this thing. And this thing's meant for gaming. You can see this little red thing. Every time you see these red, a monitor has red on the monitor. Like the monitor has like a red tone to it, then you can tell it's for gaming because most of the time the monitors have like a red accent to it, like the stand did, and this, you know, it's meant for gaming. But hey, guys, this was the monitor. I'm hoping it works. It should though, because it's brand new, but you just never know with packaging and stuff. This is by LG, by the way, so this is an LG monitor. But so yeah, guys, so let's test this thing and see if this thing works. This might take a little bit because I'm gonna have to take out my other monitor, unplug everything, and then put it on the stand. So I'm gonna film all that off. I'm gonna do that all off camera, but I'll let you know when it's done. So let's just get back to that part when I finish putting this. Alright guys, so I finally finished hooking up my monitor. It took so long. I don't know how it took so long. I mean to place this monitor here didn't take me too long. It took me about a couple seconds, but the cables. I gotta figure out a better way to move these cables, because these cables are freaking hard. But yeah, this is what the monitor looks like. You can see the LG logo right here. Can't really see too well, but yeah, this is what it is, guys. I mean, it looks a lot different. I mean, you still kind of see some cables back there, but like, what can I do about that, you know? Eventually I'll replace this monitor too, but yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. So let me know what you think of it. I mean, it took a long time. And here's the old one right here. So I probably might give this to my little brother, so she wants to set up as well. So I'm gonna try to make that happen. But anyway, this is the setup, guys. By the time this video comes out, you probably already saw my updated setup tour, but this right here is going to be on my new setup tour, of course, because I got a new monitor. Let's get back to the outro. So yeah, guys, that was the unboxing, and I mean, you guys didn't see how long it took me. It took me about at least an hour to like get the thing hooked on, get my old monitor out, and take out all the freaking cables. That was the toughest part of this entire unboxing. Well, the unboxing was easy to unbox it, but yeah, it took me a long time, guys. So a like on the video will be really appreciated. Yeah, consider subscribing too. I mean, I'm trying to reach like 50 subscribers by the end of the year, hopefully. I don't know if I can reach that, but that's just the goal of mine. You know, you don't have to sub or like. I mean, I don't really care, but it'll just help out the channel a lot. So yeah, guys. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to be back with another video soon. And later, guys. Peace out.